In this lesson, we'll explain why making your own cleaning products is a great option, and we'll go over what the core ingredients are that we're going to use in these recipes. So choosing to make your own products is the safest bet. You can whip up most recipes using basic kitchen ingredients, and they're going to be totally non-toxic. So these simple solutions work like a charm for all sorts of household chores, from washing dishes to keeping the bathroom spick and span. And the best part, they're super easy and fun to put together. One downside is that these homemade wonders, they don't last forever, because we're skipping the synthetic preservatives section of the ingredient list. However, the cool part is you can make up your own cleaning goodies whenever you want to, and you know exactly what's going in them. So these DIY blends, they're really easy to mix up. You just gather the ingredients and you can get creative. There's a whole bunch of different scents that you can put in with the essential oils too. So what are these core ingredients? Here we'll go over what are the main things that we're going to use in these recipes. So the first ingredient is white vinegar. Vinegar is very versatile. It can be used to clean a whole bunch of surfaces in your home, and it's specifically great for the bathroom and kitchen. Its acidic properties make it really effective at cutting through grease and grime. Baking soda is another ingredient that we're going to use a lot. It's a gentle yet powerful cleaner that can be tough on stains and odors. Perfect for cleaning sinks, tubs, and toilets, and can be even used as a natural bleach alternative. Its mild abrasive properties make it effective at scrubbing away dirt and grime without scratching up the surfaces that you're cleaning. Castile soap is another great one. It's a gentle cleanser made from natural ingredients like olive and coconut oil. It's biodegradable, and it can be used from everything from hand soap to laundry detergent. Its gentle yet effective formula makes it a really popular choice for eco-conscious consumers. It's one of the things I use all the time. Lemon juice is another great one, not just for cooking, also a natural bleach alternative that can be used to deodorize surfaces in your home. So again, it's acidic, so these properties make it really effective at cutting through grease and grime, and while its fresh scent leaves your home smelling really clean and fresh too. Hydrogen peroxide is another one. So this is a natural disinfectant. It can be used to clean and disinfect different surfaces throughout your home. It's really effective at killing germs and bacteria, removing stains. So this is a really popular choice for cleaning countertops, bathrooms, and floors. We've also got some really great ways that you can use it for removing mold and mildew in the bath. Salt is great for cleaning drains and scouring kitchen utensils. Essential oils are another great one. They're eco-friendly, they have great antimicrobial properties, and they leave your home smelling amazing. However, don't go overboard with them. Anything in excess can have its own risks associated with it. So when using essential oils, it's really important to ensure that they're properly diluted, and just be cautious when using them around children, pets, or individuals with sensitivities or allergies. In the next lesson, you'll find a full list of some great homemade cleaning product recipes that we've put together.